What's going on, everybody? So it's snowing. Last time I checked, we were supposed to get like 4 to 7 inches, and from the looks of it, we definitely got it. So I'll let my truck warm up. I've got myself set up to warm up, and we're about to go take my four-wheeler for a second time now of me owning it, a little spin in the snow. So let's go. Alright guys, so I got told I had to make some videos while I was processing this car. From the last time you seen it, most of the red on the roof was still there. Well, I fixed that issue. I got down to where the previous bodywork was on the quarter panel. Got it decently straight. We're just going to prime it. That way we could sand it some more, see where our low spots are, and sand it down and prime it again. As soon as we get over to the driver's side, we got some more. This was the bigger issue. This is where all the previous Bondo let loose and cracked. Right here at the seams where their welds were. And down here. So, we're just gonna prep it, get ready to prime so that we come back and sand on it and find where our low spots are. See if we can't make it as straight as possible. In today's time, that's pretty hard to do now, I guess. Try to see if we can't get this gas tank out. Alright, so I still think that's like what, half inch?
I said maybe half inch.
Yeah, because that don't look like no freaking 10mm to me.
No.
Where you show everybody that you ain't messing around.
I don't know if it'd be easier to undo these back here instead, because we're going to have to pull it back from where the fuel goes in over there. But that one's like strapped all the way up there. Yeah, oh well. Plus that one doesn't have a bolt.
Yeah, shocking.
Oh well. Figure it out.
Alright, so we also need a flathead for that. For the fuel line.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe. It's connected on the top. Yeah, might as well.
Okay. And we'll just disconnect it up top there then?
Yeah.
And we'll just take it out from the back then?
Yep.
Alright, yeah, because we're definitely going to need the floor jack for this one.
We'll need to, this one, or use the flathead for this one too.
Yeah, shocking. And let me guess, that one, yeah, of course.
That one probably is a 10mm.
Yeah, that don't surprise me. Oh! Alright, so right now David's working on getting that gas tank out. How's it going down there, David?
Rusty?
Rusty, huh?
Got that off.
You don't say. Alright, well let me get over there and I'll help.
down, maybe you can like take sections out of it.
Yeah. Alright, so what we need to do is get a hammer and a screwdriver. Take a flathead, and then we gotta knock it around. Alright, there we go. Now you can speak. I had on time lapse, so you ain't gonna hear nothing.
Oh well.
Yeah, so this is the first time we're finally looking inside this gas tank. Well, the boot's still on it. That's always a good thing. Dude, it is clean.
Dude said it was all gunked up. I don't see shit.
Oh, hang on. Yeah, I don't see nothing. I mean, it is clean as clean can be.
GoPro got a light on here?
No. But we do have a camera with a light on it.
They're not, they're GoPro.
Yeah, but I got a really good light on the inside. Dude, I mean, I don't see nothing. Alright, well there's a little bit. It's like, see it right there.
GoPro's gonna be hard to see, I think.
There we go.
Looks like a little something there.
Yeah. I got like a little something, but I mean, it just looks like crud.
Not as bad as I thought though.